Look at that. $10. That's what it cost me to fill up my tank. Because I'm riding again. I'm back to riding. Okay, I gotta check this. My bike's having a hard time starting. I gotta take this thing in for service. She hasn't been in service for a while. And I get the feeling something's not good with a starter. So, yeah. Anyway, we got a MotoVlog for you guys today. Amazing, isn't it? Woohoo! Welcome back to the channel for all of you who are new here. My name is Mr.K. This is obviously the KawaKouple channel. And you don't always see from me rides anymore because I'm just a busy boy. But my wife and I ride, for all of you guys who don't know. Earlier videos on the channel definitely show that. Later videos, well, I mean, we had the whole pandemic thing too, so woo, now I do a lot of videos for just sitting down and talking about stuff. But if you guys like motovlogs, guess what? Today we're doing a motovlog on my beautiful Ninja 650. I love this bike. I mean, eventually, ooh, that was a nice pop. Eventually she is going to be sold, unfortunately, because I am looking at buying a new bike. But for now, until I do, until I get my new bike, I'm going to be keeping this one. And I love this bike. So, there's that. More construction. For those of you guys who don't know, and those of you guys who are new here, I basically just pick random topics to talk about because, I don't know, I'm out for a ride, man. It's been crazy. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a quick little update while I'm vlogging so you guys know what's been happening. Basically, Mrs. K and I moved. That's a big thing. So that's been tough because moving sucks. Moving always sucks. Can you guys leave me a comment? Tell me if you think there's anything good about moving. I mean, obviously it's good if you're moving to a better place like we were. But I'm saying, like, is there anybody that actually likes the whole process of moving? I kind of like it just for the simple reason I can get rid of all the crap that I don't need. It's amazing how many things you find and it just yucky, you know? It's not cool. Aside from that, obviously, for those of you guys who don't know, we started up a whole new business as well. There's going to be a lot more information on that in upcoming weeks and months and all that stuff because there's a lot for me to talk about with the new business, which actually is a media company, and that happens to now currently own this company too. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm actually going to be heading down to my office more than likely. Yeah, you know what? I'm probably going to do that right now because I have to go down there anyway. Move it. Why did you have to turn? I wanted to turn. So yeah, there's that, which is a lot for me. I enjoy my Mrs. K and myself. Actually, as I'm riding this motorcycle, Mrs. K is at home, believe it or not. She ended up having a tooth extraction, which really sucks. If you guys ever went to a dentist and had a tooth extraction, you know that sucks. But, so she's a little bit sore, so leave a comment, wish her well. She's really not feeling good. Yeah, I'm not a Tesla. Oh yeah, and if you're new here, I own a Tesla. I have a Tesla channel as well. I have a lot of different channels, but actually more so now. But anyway, so yeah, Mrs. K is not riding now. I know she's been dying to go out for a ride. She has gone for rides, just hasn't been recording. So there's that. But hey, you know what? I'm out on my bike. I love this bike. Hey, can you see me in the mirror? Can you see me? Oh, slow down. Drive way ahead. I'm gonna do this. Can I do this? What is this guy doing? He's like barely moving. Some people are just weird, man. But yeah, Corvette, cool. I'm out here like talking cars now because I'm gonna see a lot of cars that I'm gonna enjoy looking at. All right, which way we're gonna go? We're gonna go left. Yeah, we're gonna go left. Three-way stop. Three-way stop. Does anybody know what that means anymore? I'm gonna stop because you got there first. Just go. Please go. Thank you. Because I don't trust some people. I like to take that freaking, there's a downhill over there. It's so annoying taking that turn. I don't know what it is about that turn. It's like my least favorite turn of all turns. Do you have one of those? Oh my god, a skunk. Oh my god. Oh my god, that stank. Ooh. Okay, I hate that smell. looks. I think it was a dead skunk. What is this? Don't tell me he's trying to do a U-turn. What is it with this city, man? This city has some crazy people doing some crazy stuff, man. Yeah, so essentially, yeah, you see, I'm vlogging, man. I don't, oh, not a Tesla, another Tesla. Like, Teslas all over the place. I don't know, man. You guys, if you live in Vancouver, here in Vancouver, these things are everywhere, man. They are. Like, Teslas are literally everywhere now. It's crazy. There's another one. Ooh, that's a Model S. That's the same one I have. And then I've seen some pretty neat cars, but what I haven't seen lately, I haven't seen any Ferraris here, man. I've been driving around and I feel like, I think a couple of, well, maybe like, ooh, not a Tesla. Like 3 weeks ago, I just realized I haven't seen a Ferrari like this entire summer. And I think I saw one Lambo, I think. Although my memory is kind of shot, so, But, ooh, over the railroad, woohoo! But, yeah, I don't know what's been going on. No Ferraris, no Lamborghinis. I've seen a couple of Aston Martins. I've been trying to do, I was thinking about going out and doing some like car spotting, because I haven't seen any cars lately. Some good, nice cars, like, you know, the things I used to see a lot in the city. What are you gonna do? So yeah, I'm gonna, for those of you guys who ever want to, if you live in Vancouver, man, and you want to meet up with us, you know, you want to maybe go for a ride, or I don't know what, man, I don't know. You just want to say hi. Typically, you'll find me on a Saturday or Sunday during the day, because normally I work in after hours a lot at the office. But if you, on Saturday and Sunday, I usually work up, I'm pretty much all day in the office. And that's not that far. For anybody who's curious, it's, what is it, 4900, yeah, okay, I have to remember my own address. Jeez, man, how sick is this? 4900 North Fraser Way, there we go. Just make sure you guys let me know on Instagram or message me or something if you guys want to come by and say hi. It's not a problem, it's just the place is very secure, so there's no way into my office without me knowing that you're coming. And I'd love to do some interview with you guys too. If any of you guys are curious about, like, you know, are interested in talking bikes and talking shop and, you know, showing off your bike, come by the office. Let me interview you. Let's talk a little bit about bikes, because I love chatting with everybody about bikes. That's what it is. So this is North Fraser Way, actually. This is where I am. Oh, I don't want to go to the office right now, though. But my office is literally in that building over there. Yeah. So that's where I am. That's where our offices are, in that building. So that's kind of cool. So it's kind of cool, you know, like this. I'm one of those motovloggers. I don't mind telling you guys where my office is, because hell, you know, I want you guys to come by. I want you guys to say hi. I want to show my appreciation for all of you guys who are taking the time to watch the channel. And obviously, if you guys want to say hi, I want to be able to give you guys that opportunity. I know I'm not going to invite you guys to my house. Nobody gets that. No, that's just, that would be wrong. Oh, brother, I love this bike. It's been a while since I've been on a ride. Alright, well, I'm going to let you guys go, because I don't want to make these videos too long, but I'm going to do another recording, so have something to upload on next week, or whatever, next video. Alright, ride safe, everybody. Don't forget, love, ride, explore. And if you guys want to check us out on Instagram, it's KawaKouple. Easy to remember, same as the channel name. Come over there, say hi, leave us a message, do all that fun stuff. In the meantime, let's get this channel back up and running, because it's been stale for a little bit. So hit that like button, because freaking YouTube and their stupid algorithms, without the like button, it doesn't do anything, man. It doesn't share the videos at all. So hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, man? Subscribe. Yeah. All right. Talk later. Bye. See ya.